Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right now by forcing Windows into recovery. Power cycle. Interrupt boot 3 times to trigger WinRe. Once in, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and open Command Prompt. That gives you direct control. If Command Prompt is absent, plug in a USB installer and boot from it to access repair tools. While you have the prompt, run simple checks first so you don't waste time. This prepares the system for targeted repairs and prevents repeated automatic repair attempts. You now run specific commands to repair the boot environment and file integrity. First, run chkdskc/f/r to find and repair bad sectors. This prevents boot stalls. Once done, execute bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to restore the boot record and configuration. Then run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files. Together, these steps replace damaged files, and you finish by rebooting without the installer and letting Windows attempt a normal startup. Make sure to remove any recovery USB and observe the boot. If it succeeds, run another SFC scan inside Windows to confirm stability. If the loop continues, use System Restore from WinRe or choose Reset this PC while keeping files. If those fail, back up your data from the command prompt or external boot media and perform a clean install as a last resort. One tip: check event logs for specific errors if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.